So we used equations 1 and 2. This was equation 1 and equation 2. But now we're going to use equations 2 and 3 to make another system of equations. So to do another process of elimination, we're going to do elimination again, right? These are our systems of 3 equations, 1, 2, and 3. 3 equations, and we have 3 unknowns. We don't know the A, we don't know the B, and we don't know the C. And we're trying to figure out what it is. And I know it is possible because I have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So therefore, it is possible. If we had 3 equations and 4 unknowns, it would not be possible. But if you have the same number or less unknowns, it's possible. So here we go. Number 2, I'm going to make the top one, I'm just going to write this one as is, right? And then I'm going to make this one negative. So here is the as is number 2. It is 13 is 9a plus 3b plus c. But then number 3, I'm going to make it negative. I'm going to negate both sides. So I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by negative 1 times negative 1 times, it's a dot, times negative 1. And this will be negative 29 is negative 16a minus 4b minus c. And we're going to add these. C minus c cancel. 3b minus 4b is negative b. 9a minus 16a is negative 7a. And 13 minus 29 is negative. That'll be 16. And now we're going to solve for, we're just going to plug and chug, honestly. So we have A solved here. And we're going to plug it into here. Right? We have 2 equations with 2 unknowns. Here's an A that we don't know. And here's a B that we don't know. 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Let's plug and chug. We're left with negative 16 is negative 7 times, what is my A value? A is b minus 10 over negative 5. b minus 10 over negative 5. And then minus b. All right. So we want to multiply these out. So we're going to have negative 7b plus 70 over negative 5 minus b equals negative 16. And we're going to have 7/5 b minus 14 minus b. And then you're going to have, what's 7/5 minus 5/5? That would be 2/5. right? And then you have negative 16. And if we add 14 to both sides, the 14 will be here. That'd be negative 2 is equal to 2/5 b. But in order to get b by itself, I need to multiply by the opposite. I'm going to multiply by 5/2. Right? Multiplying by 5/2, these cross out, 5/5, and we're left with b is negative 5. I'm just going to confirm that really quick. Yep. And now we're moving on. Now, a really easy thing to do now is to, now that we know b, we could get the a value. So we know that b is negative 5. So we're going to put negative 5 in for b, right? Minus 10 over negative 5 is your a value, right? This a value right here. Negative 5 minus 10 is negative 15. And it's all over negative 5. Negative over negative is a positive. And you know this is 3. That's your a value. All right, 15 over 5 is 3. So far we have our a value, we have our b value. Now, we can use any equation to get the c value. Okay. So let's just use the bottom one, just because I can still see it. So let's say that I'm going to use equation 3 here. Equation 3. Right? Actually, I'm going to use equation 1 because it's not using it's going to use less numbers, right? Numbers with lesser magnitudes. Instead of 29, I want 3. It's more simple. So equation 1 right here. I'm going to have 3 is, right, for equation 1, 4a plus 2b plus c. And we know that our b is negative 5. So, and our a is 3. So we're going to plug those in. 3 equals 4 times 3, that's our a value, plus 2 times negative 5 is our b value, plus c. 3 is 12 minus 10 plus c. 3 is 12 minus 10 is 2 plus c. Minus 2 on both sides. C is 1, confirming that C is 1. It is. And now I have my A is 3, B is negative 5, and C is 1. Now I can just plug it and chug it into my generic equation, which is here. I'm going to put these values right here, and I'll get Y is 3x squared. Oh, that's an, sure, I'll just do it, plus negative 5.
What are you doing?
I'm teaching my class, Mama.
Oh.
X. And then our C value is 1.
How are you writing that?
I will show you later, okay?
Okay, how
I'll show you, Mama. Give me a second.
how are you doing that?
Y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x
What happened?
plus 1. And there you have it. This is a quadratic equation that we made out of our 3 data points right here. Okay? If you have any questions about this, please come to office hours or ask me in person during class. I will be very happy to explain. Alright guys, well that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know what is working for you, what is not. Let me know.